Nvidia just resumed AI chip exports to China. Germany launched a $20 billion AI offensive, and it's officially AI Appreciation Day worldwide. I'm Jay, and this is your AI News Debrief for July 17th.
And I'm Fiona. Today's stories show AI diplomacy is reshaping global politics, while the technology penetrates every corner of society.
Let's start with the geopolitical bombshell. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, speaking from Beijing, confirmed they're resuming H20 AI chip exports to China following eased U.S. restrictions. But here's the kicker. He praised the quality and progress of Chinese AI models, signaling a major shift in U.S.-China tech diplomacy.
Meanwhile, Germany just dropped their own AI bombshell, a $20 billion plan to generate 10% of their GDP from AI by 2030. We're talking AI gigafactories and quantum computing centers. Germany is making a serious play for global AI leadership.
Amazon Web Services isn't sitting idle either. They just launched agentic AI capabilities that can automate complex multi-step operations with minimal human intervention. These agents work across multiple apps in real time, targeting massive enterprise productivity gains.
But Europe's having a regulatory crisis. The EU released new AI guidelines that industry leaders are calling vague and overly restrictive. They're labeling biometric surveillance and emotion recognition as high risk, and startups are saying the compliance requirements could crush innovation.
Here's where it gets really interesting. Microsoft is now using AI to accelerate nuclear plant permitting, reducing timelines from years to months. They're working with Idaho National Lab to solve the energy crisis that AI itself is creating.
And we're seeing AI penetrate sectors we never expected. Lloyds Bank just introduced Athena, a generative AI assistant for customer service and compliance. Google launched Big Sleep, an AI tool that monitors and disables dormant web domains at risk of cyber attacks.
The healthcare revolution is accelerating too. New research shows AI can now accurately screen for diabetic retinopathy, enabling earlier intervention and potentially saving millions of lives through automated detection.
But here's the most fascinating development. Despite ongoing U.S. sanctions, Chinese companies are advancing their AI initiatives using lower-grade semiconductors and open-source models. Analysts predict the innovation gap with the U.S. may close faster than anyone expected.
The regulatory landscape is getting chaotic. California courts are considering AI use mandates by September, focusing on transparency and bias protection. Meanwhile, the U.S. faces a growing patchwork of state-level AI regulations that could complicate compliance.
And there's trouble in paradise. ASML, the key AI chip equipment supplier, just reported they cannot confirm growth for 2026, wiping out $30 billion in market value. The AI supply chain is showing serious volatility signs.
Today also marks AI Appreciation Day worldwide, a moment to reflect on how rapidly this technology is transforming everything from banking to cybersecurity to nuclear energy permitting.
But here's the warning sign. Commentaries are emerging that companies making layoffs to adopt AI may face serious regret as the technology landscape shifts unpredictably. The human-AI balance is more complex than anyone anticipated.
So what should you watch next? The U.S.-China AI détente could reshape the entire global tech landscape. If chip restrictions continue easing, we might see unprecedented collaboration between the world's AI superpowers.
And keep your eyes on the regulatory fragmentation. With Europe's restrictive guidelines, California's court mandates, and fragmented U.S. state regulations, we're heading toward a world where AI governance varies dramatically by jurisdiction.
The infrastructure race is also heating up. From Germany's gigafactories to Microsoft's nuclear AI, countries are realizing that AI dominance requires massive energy and computational infrastructure investments.
That's your AI News Debrief for July 17th. AI Appreciation Day. The technology is everywhere, the geopolitics are shifting, and the future has never been more uncertain.
Subscribe for tomorrow's updates, because in this space, diplomatic breakthroughs and market crashes happen in the same day. We're Jay and Fiona, and we'll see you next time.